With the implementation of 12.3, you can edit resources and assign record items to resources in bulk. You can select up to 1,000 resources here and drag them over to a record item of your choice. Now you can see the brand new dialog box for assigning record items, which matches the design of the rest of the system to better your experience as a user. Or, instead of dragging the resource over, by selecting under 1,000 resources and clicking Bulk Edit, you can also assign multiple record items to multiple resources without closing the window. This means less clicks and more flexibility when assigning or editing. Not only can you edit and assign record items to resources all in one dialog box, we've implemented a new calendar feature in the same window. Here you can edit the schedules of multiple resources by adding events or editing the details of those events to your heart's content. With 12.3, making bulk schedule changes or finding free time slots is a breeze. But enough about all the new resource-related features. 12.3 also introduces new functionalities for reports and record item currency. For example, you can now keep track of total flight hours from a single record item assigned multiple times. To do this, you'll start with a report that uses our new Aggregate option, where you can select Sum, Average, Maximum, Minimum, and Count. Then, the system uses the aggregate function with a report query rule to keep track of these hours, which you can view in the resource dialog box. You can also set up an event handler, so this property rule will update automatically whenever you assign a resource to more hours. One of the key responsibilities of a training manager is to make sure that all resource qualifications are revalidated on time. With this new release, we're trying to make that job a little easier. You can now quickly check when the record item was revalidated, as well as view the date of future scheduled trainings. The aggregate function isn't the only new face in the report section. Instead of selecting a specific date in your query, you can now set a date range like in the same day, in the same month, not in the same month, and more. For example, let's say you want to see all the resources whose qualifications for a specific record item are expiring in the next month. With 12.3, you're only a couple clicks away from making that a reality. Starting with 12.1, you could customize the event hint window in the web assistant with the report builder, creating hints according to your own specifications and designs. Now you can do the exact same thing in the web portal. With this new feature, your instructors, students, or other web portal users will see an attractive display of event information they can easily grasp at a glance. Last but not least, 12.3 allows instructors to sign forms in the web portal or through MyMint app grading. Now the signature process takes place through Mint during sign-off. This video has shown off just a few features that are available in 12.3. For a full list of new features and how to implement or best use them, check out the What's New in the Web Assistant section in your Mint manual.